Most of the large language models these days come in English only, but it is good to see that now many creators are producing models which are multilingual or totally in a specific language, such as this Quantum one, which is a Korean large language model. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can locally install this Quantum model on your Windows system. I'll be using the quantized version from Block, which is easy to install in GPTQ flavor. Let me quickly give you a brief overview of this Quantum LM, which is a Korean LM, as you can see from here. Now I have no idea what Korean means, so I'm just going to take Google's help here. So I'm copying it and then just go to Google and just paste it here, translate Korean to English, and as you can see, the same thing, it is saying that it is an open source project for developing Korean language models, and currently most of the language models focus on English, but this is more focused toward Korean language, and that is where this Korean LM project comes into being. Cool. Now the tool which I'm going to use to install this model is called as LM Studio. If you are not aware of what LM Studio is, then I have various videos where I describe how to install it and how to use it. Quite simple tool. Now launch your LM Studio on your Windows system, go to home icon and then just type here Quantum, and you can see that on the left hand side these are the blocks version. So I'm just going to go with this V01, and then normally this Q5KS is a quantization level which offers a good balance. So just click on download and it will download on your local system, and you can see the size is 5 gig. Now click on this folder icon on the left and you can see that the first one is which we already have. Cool. In order to use it, click on this chat icon, the 3 dots, and then just from the middle load your model, which is Quantum V01, and we can just remove this. This is from a previous video, the previous prompt. So there you go. Now the model is downloaded or loaded in this LM Studio, and RAM which is being used at the moment is 5.16 gig, which is cool. Okay, another thing which we need to do is to set a system prompt. And how do you get a system prompt? You go to models page such as this one, and from here just scroll down a bit. This is a system prompt, so just go there and copy all of it, because models are optimized to respond to this system prompt. I have copied it. Go back to your LM Studio, and then on the right hand side paste it in this box. There you go. It says no chat metadata found. It's okay, we'll just keep it here. Okay, and now let's ask it any question. Maybe I'll try first in English, just to see if it's a bilingual or not. I'll just ask it. Okay, it's not letting me type here for some weird reason. Maybe I will reload LM Studio. So I closed it and I have reloaded it, and I'm just showing you the live so that you would also see what is happening. Okay, so it is already there, but I have just reloaded it just to be sure. Let it load, and then I will also again paste the system prompt here. Okay, and now let's ask it a question. Okay, now I'm able to type how to climb K2 mountain in Pakistan. Let's see what result it returns, whether it is English or Korean, and we will also translate it into Korean. But let's see what is happening. Nice. So climbing K2, the world's second highest mountain. Very nice. So it is able to detect what K2 is, and then hopefully it is going to give us some of the results. So while it produces the result here, let's also translate this into English. I'll just reverse it, and maybe I'll cancel it. I'll ask it how to climb K2 mountain in Pakistan. Let's copy it from here. Go back to LM Studio. Okay, so it is producing the result. but I'll just say stop generating, and maybe I'll just paste the Korean question here. So let just to see if it is able to understand Korean or not. It is processing it. Let's wait for it to come back. Shouldn't take too long in my opinion. There you go, it has produced a Korean answer. But as you can see, there are a lot of other characters, so maybe it has to do with some Korean font in my system. Anyway, I'll just try to paste it in Google Translate as is, just to see what happens. And I will just again flip it, cancel it, and then paste it here. Okay. So it has done something, and you can see that stamina, and we can make out of it that it is producing the correct result. But I believe just because I don't have Korean font installed, that is why it is unable to produce, publish or print the proper answer. But really good, very impressive, I would say, the response and the way it has produced bilingual result in both English and Korean. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or thoughts, or if you want to share any other bilingual model, especially around English Korean, feel free to put it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.